Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so Hey Prabhu is a show which talks about basically the difference we have. Like nowadays, our generation, we have two separate lives, which is one online life and an offline life. So online में जितना cool, जितना fancy, everyone is a foodie, everyone is a wanderlust, everyone is a traveler. सबकी life में सब बढ़िया हो रहा है. And offline, we have so many fuck ups. So this show talks about this boy who's Tarun Prabhu, and उसकी online काफ़ी fan following है. He's pretty crazy with girls, and how offline he is screwed with his personal life, his office life, and his sex life. So that's the show which is all about. अच्छा, मुझे लगा MX प्लेयर पे. मैंने MX प्लेयर पे क्या कंपटीशन है, सब बराबर है. बट वही तो अभी वही इन्होंने अभी बताया कि MX प्लेयर का ही कंपटीशन नहीं है ना. इतना डेटा इनके पास है, एंड दे आर वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट और द बिगेस्ट. सो देयर इज़ नो competition. Now if I try to sound thoda modest, so then the USP is like the thing which I personally really liked about this show is the writing is brilliant. Like it's so real and natural. जैसे आप और मैं अभी बात कर रहे हैं वैसे का वैसे शो में है. And then we had like such a good team hanging out and bonding together. It was more of fun than we were shooting. So I think it's just a fun show. Okay.
I had to do it. Yeah.
तुम्हारे हाथ में जो आता है वो सब गिर जाता है.
Including you. So my character's name is Karishma, who is an online social media influencer, which is also me in real life. So I could connect a lot with the character. Also, this girl is like a very headstrong, no nonsense, and like she doesn't have a filter. So she says whatever she feels like, and that is how she is in Tarun Prabhu's life, and she says things to him and all of that. So it's quite fun to actually. All my scenes are with him. So, and this is my first web series, so I was very nervous, but all because of him. I think we kind of killed it, but I
pulled it off.
We pulled it off, we killed it, whatever. So I'm very excited for it to come out, and I'm really looking forward. I want everybody to see it and like it. So that's what I think about the web series.
So I'm playing this character called Ira. Ira is one of Tarun Prabhu's friends at work. He joins our firm, and he's basically we're basically the people that he kind of vents out to, and it's great because we had so much fun shooting for it. We had a great director, Shashank, and Rajat, Neha, Ashish, all of us. We had such a good time working for the show. Yeah, Ashish.
Hi, my name is Ashish. I'm playing a character called Aram Matre. I'm his immediate boss. Yeah. I report to Achint. Yeah. So whatever screw ups he does, I try and cover that for him. He's the new joinee. I recommend him to the company. Yeah. And it was great. It was great fun. So yeah.
Okay, hi, I'm Neha Panda. I am playing Rimjim. I am playing her best friend, and Tarun comes into our life as a colleague to us, and then we become friends with him, and he has a lot of fuck-ups in life, and then I think we are the one who he vents out to. We had so much fun shooting this, especially with Shashank sir, our director. He's such a cool director, like hats off. He's so cool, like he's really cool, and we had so much fun. We had real good fun. We all bonded like how on the set, and I think the trailer looks amazing. This boy has done a fantastic job. He's really good, and we have a person missing here, Arunima. This
Okay, we can cut that. And we have a few more people who will join us in a bit, which is Achint and Rituraj. So वो यहीं पे है. You'll see us. अच्छा audience,
Why? I don't think why. There's no why. Just watch it. It's amazing.
please watch Hey Prabhu because I'm in it. And if you don't like this cute face, then very pretty looking girls around. So watch it for them. And then it is coming from the director of Veere the Wedding, which we've all loved. So watch it for that. And what I said earlier, it's such a fun show. We had such a great time shooting for it. And it's very real. So many people, like minus the erectile dysfunction bit, otherwise so many people can relate to it. Some might even relate to that. But then it'll be, trust me, it'll be worth it. So do watch it. Acha, the fun thing about her is she is like her character, an influencer. So जहाँ मर्जी जिस मर्जी जगह चले जाओ, she can take nice pictures of you or herself, or she will like you're going for your fucking shot and she'll stop you in the middle. She'll be like, अरे एक फोटो खींच देना मेरी. So there we have her. And ये आपका क्या बताएं? इनकी लाइफ के काफ़ी थोड़े बहुत किस्से हैं जो हमें पता चले, जो हमने इनको थोड़ा समझाया इनको कि क्या करना चाहिए उस सिचुएशन में. बट फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा यार, ये अभी थोड़ा समझेगी थोड़े टाइम में, तो अभी मैं डिटेल में नहीं बता सकता.
I'm the बच्चा of this place.
Yeah, she is totally the बच्चा.
I'm the youngest here and they all treat me like a child.
And also she like सेट पे जिस मर्जी का शॉट हो, अगर ये पीछे बैठे अपना घूम रहे हैं. और Who made it? You'd made it? नहीं वो that was that guy. So उनका ये था कि office setup है, so they are sitting on their desk. So they'll constantly keep doing something, even if you're in the background.
Even if he is in the front scene, the three of us have to be in the background. So we'd get really bored in the background. So we'd be like running around, jumping around, making really weird drawings on the computer and stuff. So.
Yeah, the fun part, I'll tell you an incident. Once we were shooting for a scene, and so it was like the camera was somewhere. We were all in one cabin जहाँ से हमें walk करके उधर जाना था. तो he was like, this guy, he was like कि अरे मैं दिख रहा हूँ क्या यहाँ पे? And she was like, भाई यहाँ हम नहीं दिख रहे, तू कहाँ से दिखेगा? Because they were right there. So yeah, we had like, because you know that's the good part about having like a young cast, because everyone is like just having fun and yeah, you're all like-minded. We've started hanging out even. ये बहुत दूर रहती है बोरीवली, कांदीवली कहाँ? बोरीवली. So इतना नहीं मिलती, ये आती नहीं है, ये मट चली जाती है अपने दोस्तों से मिलने. But then yeah, we all stay close by. Then me and her, we have a lot of common friends. So yeah, so there we've constantly kept meeting. Him I've not met, but then eventually it's a like we've not bumped into him, but then eventually it's a fun setup and fun group. And our director Shashank Ghosh was the biggest londa on set. Like me and Shashank, we bonded like to such a level that you know it was just every day.
Turn up today.
नहीं वो पैर वैर टूट गया, मैंने कुछ सुना, so हम मिलेंगे जाके. But otherwise, like we recently, like last week, we went to Delhi for the trailer launch. So me and Shashank, we landed in Delhi, and the first thing we took one car, हम दोनों निकल गए, and hotel पे press conference है, वहाँ सब wait कर रहे हैं, and we like पहले छोले कुलचे खाते हैं. So हम वहाँ CP में कहीं गोल मार्केट somewhere we took him, and then we had छोले कुलचे, and then we went to the press conference. So we bond on that level of chola kulcha.